Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Windows 11 updates are applied, because Directx reporting can vary by build. Once done, open the Run dialog with Windows plus R or use the taskbar search. You need to launch DXdiag as administrator. Type DXdiag and press Enter. This starts the Directx diagnostic tool. Make sure to close games or GPU utilities first, as they can interfere with measurements. This step prepares the system to report accurate Directx version and graphics details, so you get reliable results. Now, in DXdiag, allow any driver verification prompts. It helps confirm system integrity. On the System tab, look for the Directx version line. That's the quick answer. Next, switch to the Display tab to see feature levels, GPU model, and driver dates. This explains what Directx features your hardware supports. If you see feature level 12.1 or 12.0, you have modern Directx capabilities. Remember to note driver version and date, because outdated drivers often limit feature support, even when Directx is installed. To finish, update your GPU drivers via Windows Update or directly from the vendor. This ensures Directx features are utilized. Once updated, run DXdiag again to confirm the Directx version and feature levels changed if needed. If DXdiag hangs or fails, reboot and try safe mode to rule out third-party conflicts. Make sure to test again after a normal reboot. If problems persist, reinstall the graphics driver and run Windows Update, because most Directx issues trace back to driver or OS mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.